For my next video, I'd like to do one on yet another new feature for One UI 8. And I'm using my Samsung S25 Ultra. And this is a pretty straightforward, simple difference update. But it's pretty handy, actually. I've been using it, and it's comes in handy, especially if you do things like I do with it. So it's about changing the settings on your camera into the camera settings instead of changing the front facing to the rear facing. So let's just dive right in so you understand what I'm saying. So we'll open the camera and let's see here. So we'll have the camera open and go to settings and your little cogged wheel. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, right here. Swipe up and down. So now we can swipe up and down to open quick controls. Its default was to switch cameras, and then you can also leave it off. So I have it to open quick controls. So now if I swipe, oops, might not work on here since I'm recording. Okay, here we go. So if I swipe, I'm going to get my controls. Hang on here. So if I swipe, I get my controls. If I swipe again, it goes back to zoom. If I swipe again, it goes to controls. So it's really a pretty unique feature and pretty handy, actually. Instead of swiping to go to the front camera and swiping again to get to the rear camera, I rarely ever use the front camera. I use settings more than my front camera, so it's a pretty valuable feature for me. So swipe down, there's your zoom. Swipe down again, there's your quick panel and your quick settings for your camera. So that's my video on how to set up, how to change your quick settings on your camera. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.